Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best men's climbing shoes on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is La Sportiva Katana Lace. Despite its considerable price tag, the La Sportiva Katana Lace is an exceedingly popular shoe, and it only took a couple of pitches for our testers to understand why. The Katana supplies astounding edging power and precision in a downturned design that doesn't require you to wholly abandon your comfort. The narrow toe profile solidifies this shoe's credentials for both steep pocket pulling and thin crack climbing. Add to this the stiff yet sensitive feel of its Vibram XS Edge sole, and you have a shoe that's perfectly suited for nearly any type of roped climbing. Although these shoes are pretty comfy, they're not El Cap in a day comfy, so most people will prefer a more comfortable shoe like the TC Pro from Mega Missions. The Katana is also a narrower shoe, so folks with wider feet should consider similar designs with roomier dimensions. One possibility is the Scarpa Instinct Lace, which has a lace closure with a similar downturn and toe profile but a wider midsole and heel. Although there are arguably better shoes for high-end bouldering, for everything else, the Katana is ready to crush. Number 2. Our second best pick is La Sportiva Tarantulace. If you're just starting out climbing, it's hard to beat the La Sportiva Tarantulace. Few cheaper shoes provide the same level of quality and versatility. At the same time, more advanced shoes usually put your foot in a curled position that can be painful and unnecessary when you're beginning your climbing career. More advanced shoes also cost significantly more. We don't advise spending that extra dough until you've developed some footwork and can avoid wearing through your rubber too rapidly. Although the Tarantulace doesn't have the impeccable design of the other award winners, it's comfortable and precise enough to serve as a good tool while you're improving your technique. Serious climbers, however, will probably be happier spending more for a higher performing shoe. Still, for casual climbers or folks just dipping their toes into the sport, the Tarantulace is a solid choice. And it's versatile enough for just about anywhere from the gym to the crag, or even boulders and multi-pitch routes. Number 3. Our third best pick is La Sportiva Finale. Rock climbing shoes are one category of gear where performance closely corresponds to price. Bargain hunters can rejoice, however, because the La Sportiva Finale is a fortunate exception to this rule. These affordable lace-ups come fitted with the same Vibram XS Edge rubber as the premium, top-rated Katana Lace. There's also a whopping 5mm of that rubber on these shoes to improve durability. La Sportiva recently refitted the Finale with 40% recycled materials, so you don't have to feel too bad when you eventually do wear through them. We particularly like these shoes for beginners and casual climbers searching for some decent footwear that won't break the bank. Although we like the performance of the Finale on less than vertical cliffs or moderate multi-pitch routes, they disappoint when the angle steepens. The neutral sole is certainly comfortable, but it's ill-suited for pulling your body in on overhanging terrain. At the same time, the thick rubber that enhances durability, unfortunately, reduces sensitivity. We consider these faults relatively minor, and we hope they won't serve as a deal-breaker for any shopper seeking decent performance at a great price. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is La Sportiva Solution Comp. When a bouldering or sport climbing project involves tiny rock edges, our testers reach for the La Sportiva Solution Comp. These Velcro beasts supplied some of the best edging performance of any shoe in our tests. What's more impressive is that they offered outstanding edging while still providing solid levels of support and sensitivity. Although the original solution remains a stalwart at countless gyms and crags, we prefer the newer Solution Comp due to its redesigned heel. The pared down heel cup is now coated in a thinner, more pliable rubber, and this seems to enhance grip and sensitivity while creating few performance drawbacks. One problem with the Solution Comp is the expensive price tag. This price may not be justifiable to beginners or occasional climbers, but dedicated folks will probably be happy to accept the high cost for the higher performance. Another issue is that the pointy toe on the solution comp is not compatible with all feet. If this is a problem for you, we suggest checking out the wider Scarpa Drago, which features a broader toe box and excels at the same types of steep climbing. The solution comp remains our favorite model for narrow-footed boulderers. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is Black Diamond Aspect. Black Diamond made a splash with their entry into the climbing shoe scene a few years ago. Since then, their shoes have yet to gain the same level of popularity as their beloved camming devices, but one model that might eventually get there is the Aspect. With a stiff, neutral sole, it supplies a powerful edging platform that feels somewhat similar to our favorite trad shoe, the La Sportiva TC Pro. The Aspect also employs similar laces and a padded leather upper to keep your feet from screaming during sustained crack jamming. And with its low-top design, we were spared complaints about Achilles pain that occasionally occurs due to the high ankle height of other trad shoes. What really sets the Aspect apart is the price. At full retail, it offers modest savings compared to the premium models, and it's also sometimes possible to find it on sale. Keep in mind, though, that you might have to accept some drawbacks to receive these savings. Our testers found it was surprisingly uncomfortable during the break-in period. It's also more of a specialty shoe, ideal for long romps on less than vertical stone but poorly equipped if things get steep. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.